Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is July 12th at 10:15 a.m. and it is a very hot day. It's 85 degrees already, sunny. Doing a showing for our estate client. This place right here in front of us. This is called Willoughby Spit. Beach access is right there, where that yellow sign is. Let's take a tour of the place. This is a 770 square feet home, selling for $215,000. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. 571 West Ocean View Avenue, Norfolk. Let's take a quick glimpse of the outside. Behind this house is Little Bay. There's water right behind this house here. I don't know if they're gonna let you get back there. I don't think so. It's private property. But the property line is right here. Shed belongs to the property over here. These are like apartments through here, condos. Let's take a walk. There's the HVAC system, serviced by Norfolk Air. I don't know what brand it is, but and it just turned on. This is the kitchen, coming up through the back door. They got this extension cord going out to that shed right there. I don't know what they got going on with that. You got a dishwasher here. This is a Whirlpool. Stainless steel on the inside. No cabinet knobs. I don't know how you open these. Oh, little lip up underneath here. Whirlpool microwave, Whirlpool range, ceramic floor, stack washer dryer, Whirlpool side-by-side fridge. Not a lot of food. That's the listing agent. Here's bedroom number 1. Small little closets. Maybe not. Yeah, it's not real big in there. Hardwood floors in the bedrooms and in the living room. Here is the bathroom. This is a shower. Fiberglass shower insert, toilet, vanity. Dun, dun, dun. And this is bedroom number 2. Small closet there. I'm assuming this is the primary. So there's 2 closets, and that will conclude the video. Let's take a pull down attic. We don't know what's up here, but that looks like duct. It's duct work right there. Pretty sure it's a typical attic. I would do a home inspection. Looks like that vent needs a little cleaned up there. Front door. Ceiling. AC's blowing nice and cold. And this is the front. The items that convey with the property are dishwasher, electric range and refrigerator, ceiling fan, no washer and dryer. I guess they belong to the owner. They wouldn't decide they want to take that. And on this side, sure everybody wants to know, this is the back side of the house. And that will conclude the video. Any questions, just give me a call, 757-310-2911.